external resources to pay dividends.
Now let's talk tea. Orthodox tea currently fetch an average of $3.70 per kilo compared to just $2.28 for the bulk CTC tea. Now the government has launched a new Orthodox tea trading window at the Mombasa tea auction, raising hopes for better earnings by farmers. The Mombasa tea auction will also go online to allow global buyers to participate in real time, improve transparency and boost farmer returns.
The king of tea is here. The others are people who are, sort of circulating around the throne. But the king of tea is here because Kenya tea is the king. And we must make sure that the benefit of the auction is also felt at the farmer level. The farmer must benefit.
Produce more because we have another tea factories on the process of construction to be able to produce enough for the market.
The board will continually support the factories, the producers and traders to meet the highest standards demanded by discerning international buyers.
We have gone ahead after this product production. We have licensed around 42 factories, with all of them are in production.
Now let's talk about the taxman. KRA has rolled out new measures to ease